What is up? Welcome to another video. I'm super happy to announce that we will be launching our second course on my platform Immersive Insiders, which is going to be C# Fundamentals. This course is dedicated for the absolute beginner. So if you have never written any line of code, you don't even know what is programming, then this course is for you. And also if you want to get into C# programming using Unity, for example, or if you want to create some AR VR applications, then C# is a very powerful language. It is used very heavily for creating AR VR apps using Unity, so definitely a great choice to get started with. And if you know programming already, like from different languages, maybe like JavaScript, you have done some web development and now you want to get into Unity, C#, then of course the course is as well for you. So it will be even a little bit easier for you to get into all of that stuff. But again, we will cover all the basics, and without further ado, I will show you but you will see all of that in the second part of this video, where you will literally get the exact overview video of the course. So you will exactly see what is being taught in the course and what is not in the course, because it's very important that this course is an essential course. So it's about the absolute essentials. It's not covering everything there is in C#, because that would be a lot. So you really want to know everything you need to know to get started immediately, to be able to create some games and apps in AR VR. So after this course, you will be able to get started with the other courses on this platform immediately, and you won't be left off. And without further ado, let's get started with the course overview. What can you expect from this course? So in this course we will learn, as you have heard many times already, the fundamentals of C#. So the very essential basics that you need to know. And we will start off by even talking outside of C#. What is even programming? So it doesn't matter what kind of language you learn, you should of course kind of understand what does a software developer do really, what is a program, what is the meaning of that, and then followed by what is a programming language. So just you have heard some basic terms already outside of writing your first lines of code, because I see many courses that just start with immediately writing some stuff and you don't even know what's going on there. And I want to give a little bit of theory, a little bit of what exactly are you doing there, because in my opinion it's pretty important. You not just want to drive the car, you kind of want to know how it works and what happens there. But then of course not in full depth, because therefore you will see lots of links in the description below. So just a 10-minute kind of video on what is programming, what is a programming language, and then we can get started with C#. So we will talk about the fundamental things really, what are variables, classes, and then of course we will start to write our first Hello World script, which is the holy programming tradition, which I'm really proud of to show it to you. We'll talk about using fields and properties, because unfortunately it's not being taught too much on YouTube, Unity tutorials really, just because they want to keep things extremely simple. But then if you are in the real world, in the industry, then you gotta use those, or you gotta at least know how they work, because they are an essential part of C#. And this is why also the course is it's a C# course, it's not a Unity course. There will be Unity courses, no worries, and on my channel as well, but this is more on C#. So that's why it's important to know what are classes, structs, and also properties. And then we'll cover all the basics on any programming course, really, the classics. For example, if else statements, then loops, so for loops, while loops, and for each loops, exactly, all of that stuff. And then also we will be talking about arrays and lists, comments, classes I talked already, so all of that stuff. And once you know those things, then you are pretty confident to write some code, and you don't even know what you are doing there. And then we will sum it up, and you are ready to program. If you have any questions or even suggestions on topics that you think that I really should cover as well, that you think are an essential part of C#, of course, because many things are really personal preference, then definitely let me know in the comments below, because that would be amazing to know. Maybe others will think the same, and then I will just add some update videos on this course as well. So that's just more content for you to learn So definitely let me know if there's something that you would like me to teach you as well. And as always, I see you in the next one.